AI tools for beginners. Hi there, welcome to this beginner's guide to AI tools. Artificial intelligence might sound complicated, but today we're going to make it simple, fun, and practical. I'll walk you through 3 amazing AI tools and guide you step by step on how to use them. Ready? Let's dive in. Our first tool is ChatGPT, an AI assistant that helps with writing, brainstorming, and problem solving. Here's how to use it step by step. Steps on screen. 1. Go to the ChatGPT website, chat.openai.com, and create an account or log in. 2. Type a question or task into the chat box. For example, can you help me write a friendly email to invite someone to a party? 3. Review the response. You can refine the request if needed, like make it more formal or add a fun closing line. 4. Copy and paste the result into your document or email. It's like having a personal assistant who's ready to help 24/7. Next, let's look at Canva, an AI-powered design tool. You don't need to be a designer to create professional-looking graphics. Here's how to get started. First, visit canva.com and sign up for free. Then choose a template from categories like social media posts, presentations, or resumes. Customize the design by clicking on text, images, or colors. Canva offers a library of free elements. And don't forget to use AI features like Magic Design. Just type what you need, for example, create a modern wedding invitation, and Canva will generate designs for you. Finally, download your design in the format you need, whether it's JPEG, PDF, or another format. With Canva, you'll save time and impress everyone with your creativity. Finally, we have DALL, an AI tool that creates images from your descriptions. Let's try it out step by step. First, go to the DALL platform, labs.openai.com, and log in. Then type a description of the image you want, like a serene forest with glowing mushrooms at night. Click Generate. DALL will create unique images based on your input. You can download your favorite image or refine the description to generate new options. Whether you're designing a poster, illustrating a story, or just experimenting, DALL brings your ideas to life effortlessly. See how easy it is to use AI tools. With ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, and DALL for creating images, you can boost your creativity and productivity in just a few clicks. Try them out, and don't forget to have fun while exploring. Let me know which tool you like the most in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.